Hey, what's up? Adrian here and welcome to the Unboxed, where it's all about tech. Today we'll be unboxing this vintage suitcase vinyl player with Bluetooth. So let's just jump into action. So we have quite a big box to unbox today. You can see this is how it's supposed to look, and that's the model number. I can see the back here. So first we have a power cable, some other things here. It doesn't seem to be that heavy. We also have this manual in the box. Looks kind of cool. Careful not to cut this thing because it looks kind of cool. So let's open it now. Wow, interesting. So let's take this down as well. What is this for? Actually, no clue. This moves a bit. Interesting stuff. So we have some buttons here. So I think this is how we turn it off and on. We have some things here. BT, line in, and phono. BT probably is Bluetooth. We have another two buttons here, and let's take this out as well. Okay, and how do you take this out? Push this, and then that's the thing. And then we just take this plastic off, I think. And then there must be another, and then no, I think that's everything. Okay, so that's how it looks. I think this moves a bit. Not sure if it's supposed to move like this or not. It doesn't seem too heavy. It looks kind of cool, like when you close the box like this. Interesting suitcase, except for this made in China thing, which we'll take off. All right. So as you can see, it has like kind of a cool leather look, but I don't think this is leather, but it looks like leather. Anyway, yeah, that's the handle, and they look like they've been gone through time, like you see here as well. It's kind of cool. So I will put a vinyl here because I bought some, but I won't be able to play it on YouTube because we just can't. YouTube won't let us. So let's add one vinyl here and see if this does work. You're usually supposed to clean the vinyl with something on top, but I'm gonna use my hand because this is an old vinyl anyway, so there shouldn't be any problems. All right, this vinyl is kind of big. So let's add the power, but before we do that, let's see the back really quick. On the back we can see something that it's supposed to be here, but it's not. Aux in, not here, so this we don't have this. And then we have the R and L, left and right, line out, and the DC in, and the hinge. So let's plug this in. There it goes. I heard the sound, I think. Let's open this. Oh, we have power. I think it's on the Bluetooth. We'll put it on line in, and yeah, it's supposed to be off. Then turn it on. Makes a sound. Quite interesting. Let's put the vinyl on top, and then what do we do? Also, you can raise this. We have speed, auto stop. How do I actually play it? I'm not sure. Awesome. So you go on phono. It sounds so funny. Okay, so if you want to play the vinyl, you need to go on phono. If you go on phono, it will automatically start playing, which I didn't know because you don't have any like play button or anything. You just go on phono, and it has auto stop. You can also raise this needle up and down. And then we have the speed, which was on 33. But I think if you have a smaller vinyl, you might need to change the speed. But I'm not sure this vinyl thing work, because this is like my first vinyl player, and it's really interesting. It sounds, I can't play the music from the vinyl because YouTube won't let me, but it sounds really quite cool. And we'll also play some music from Bluetooth, so you can hear how it sounds, how it usually sounds without the vinyl. But it's quite interesting. So play.
So I see raging inside of me. I rest my feet and blame our stars.
You should look for this Warmic Instrumental Gold. It has this first song. It's really interesting. Yeah, it sounds quite nice. I like it. So the first song, I think it's called River Quay March, Campbell Connolly or something like that. Hopefully I didn't mispronounce something. Yeah, so if you look that song, it's really nice. It's instrumental, but it sounds good. Okay, so now let's put the vinyl on the side and let's connect it with the Bluetooth with the phone. From phono, line in Bluetooth. We have Bluetooth on this side. Here is the volume as well. So we can see here Vintage Turntable. We'll connect it. As you could hear, it's connected, and we'll go to our favorite music licensing platform, artlist.io, and let's play this march, because why not? Is it this one? Oh, it was this one. So this one, it was the nice one. I like this one. So it kind of basically sounds about the same like the vinyl, I would say, the sound. And these speakers are not like really, you can't hear any bass or something, but they're quite, I would say, they sound like vintage, like old stuff. So here you can see the volume. Let's go the max. That's the lowest. And that was the max. You can also plug headphones here. I really like this RetroLife here, RetroLife logo, and this is like soft, which is really cool. And we'll just take the vinyl out, and I think we can even close this. Yeah, so the sound comes from here. Sound seems a bit more muffled if we close the case. So I left this playing because I kind of like this song. It sounds like a Pirates of the Caribbean song, like a really intense, like nice action-packed movie. Actually, it's quite distracting. So you can't really make it sit on the side like a suitcase. You have to like put it just like that. Yeah, anyway, really cool. I like this old retro design. Inside the case, this is moving. I'm not sure if it should be or not. I don't think it causes any troubles. The sound is not the best, but I don't think it should be the best because obviously it doesn't have any bass. So it really sounds like old turntable, like something like that. And I think the vibe and the sound go together. So if you have a vinyl and you put in this, it's just like old vibes. So it's really, I really like this. I would definitely say if you want to feel the old vibes, you should get one of these. Certainly is not perfect. I can see here there's like a sticker on top that makes it look like leather, but it does have the feel in it, and it does give you the vibe. So you have these buttons here which you can, it's really simple, speed and volume and on and off. And if you want to plug your headphones, if you want to put another line in, connect with the phone as well, it's really nice. So if you don't have vinyls, if you don't want to buy vinyls and you still want to hear like the same sound, like retro sound, you can still connect your phone and you can have the old music vibes. It definitely hits your soul. Check out the RetroLife Turntable suitcase review next. If it's not here, it should be soon. Thank you for watching. There's a link in the description below if you're looking to get one of these RetroLife Turntable suitcases. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content, and see you on the next one.